picking up the
They're
five.
picking up something?
Yes. They're,
What, they were filming something here?
no.
I thought I was the only one filming shit, man. This is Presidium Invades Las Vegas. What is this? Oh, the 5K run? Oh, okay. I bet you was, oh, okay. 5K run. Number of white folks out here mainly. Did you see some black people out here? You did? But majority white people. Yeah, everywhere you go, tell them, everywhere you go, it's majority of white people.
Everywhere you go, it's majority of white people.
Right. White people everywhere.
White people everywhere.
Why is there white people everywhere?
Why is there white people everywhere?
You heard it from the little Mexican dude. Here's a guy over here, sir. What's your name?
Toby.
Toby. That's the slave's name. They never told you.
Yeah, 'cause they
Another
can't-
Toby, another white Toby, y'all. All right, say hello, America.
Hello, America.
Okay, you heard it from White Toby over here. Okay, Presidium invades Las Vegas.